If you want to know how to day trade or you want to improve your day trading, it makes sense to practice and practice in the correct way. As you know, like anything in life you want to get better at, practice is probably going to be involved. Day trading is no different. The question is, how do you practice? What do you practice, etc.? Well, the first thing you probably should know is how to use the trading platform. And that's where we come in at DayTradeToWin. Because if you sign up on our website, you can become a free member. So type in your email here, click on Let Me In, and then check your email. Sometime later, you will get a link to create a free member account. Go through the process of entering in your information, and then click on Join. You'll get access to a number of things after you sign up, and that page looks something like this. This is the free member homepage. It contains a number of special links. It shows our different courses and software, which includes Accelerated Mentorship, the Trade Scalper, Atlas Line, Blueprint, and At the Open 2. We also have this video 1 from Accelerated Mentorship, and Accelerated Mentorship is our big all-inclusive package where you get everything. So if you're looking to really get a head start in day trading, Accelerated Mentorship would be the way to go. And continuing on, we have a number of free downloads like the ABC indicator. I'm going to show you what that is in a few minutes. The news indicator, online trading news calendar. So these are really valuable things if you're looking to go beyond what is said in this video. For example, this Get Started Trading Guide is going to show you how to navigate charts and do a number of things like placing simulated trades being paper trades or practice trades. And we also have a collection of how-to videos. And we've had many people come to us and say, your trading videos are better than anything else out there. They're so helpful. Thank you. So please do check this out. And down the page, we have the free ABC trading course that will teach you what the ABC software is doing and how you can trade the ABC on your own. And the last thing that we have is this average true range workshop. So you can attend this to learn how to use the ATR. This may not make sense to you now, but in time, once you go through this area, you will be learning a whole lot and things will unfold in a way that makes sense. I'm not sure if you noticed this earlier, but we actually have a live chart. So this chart right here is moving. The market is not so fast at the moment. The ATR is at 1.13, but if you notice, this is moving, and that indicates that it's a live real-time chart because the current candle here is 1627 and it's nearly 4:30 p.m. in my time zone. So this is looking good here. Now, why is that important? Well, because this is showing that I have live data. And if you want to get as close to the real thing as possible, sign up for that account and then email us at support@daytradetowin.com. Ask for a data feed and then we can help you from there.